Yeah, a very good evening to one and all. Hope you are able to hear me. Could you please confirm over the chat? No. Yeah, yeah. Hope you are able to see my screen. Hope you are able to see my screen, guys. Everyone. Yeah, fine, sir. Okay, good. Yes, sir. Yeah. Whoever like is in the join for the today's session, okay, please go through this the backup sessions, sir. Please go through this the backup session. And if you wanted to more about, if you wanted to know about like as in the course content of this training program, okay, you can download that the course content from the Ashok IT portal. Okay, you can download the course content from the Ashok IT portal, and the training mode will be on the online training mode. The prerequisite for the training is what? Nothing, sir. The duration for this course is minimum of 1 month, sir. Okay, the minimum of 1 month and the maximum of 1 month of 1 month 10 days. The course duration will be. Okay, the course fee for is for what? 4K. Okay, this is all about the course related information, guys. So up to the yesterday, we just covered like as in the basics of the database software, guys. Up to yesterday, so we just covered what? The basics of database concepts. Okay, so basics of the database concepts, guys. Up to yesterday, we just covered like as in what? The basics of database concepts, sir. Okay, what we have covered, sir? So the basic terminologies. So we just covered what? The terminologies. Okay, the terminologies in database. Okay, terminologies in the database. And then we talked about what? Types of database softwares. Types of database softwares. Types of the database softwares. And then we talked about what? The importance of understanding the importance of what? Understanding the importance of what? SQL. That is nothing but an what? Structured query language. What is the purpose of the structured query language, guys? What is the purpose of structured query language? Sir, please disable the camera. Whoever like has enable the camera, please disable the video, guys. Okay, so that will leads to disturbing for others. Yes, the main purpose of a structured query language is for what? Communicating with any RDBMS database softwares, guys. Can you give me an examples for RDBMS database softwares? Can you give me an examples for RDBMS database softwares, guys? So what is the name of a RDBMS database softwares, guys? RDBMS database softwares. RDBMS database softwares, nothing but on what? Oracle, MySQL, SQL Server, okay, Postgres SQL, okay, Postgres SQL, DB2, Derby database. All this will comes under as an what? All this will comes under as an what? RDBMS database softwares, guys. Okay, so what is the other name for RDBMS database softwares? Nothing but on what? SQL database softwares, guys. Okay, what is the other name for RDBMS database software, guys? SQL database software, guys. Okay. We have the another kind of database softwares are available in the market. That is non-relational database management softwares, guys. RDB NoSQL, or we can say it as in what? NoSQL database, guys. Okay, or we can say it as in what? NoSQL database softwares, guys. NoSQL database software such as nothing but an what? MongoDB. Okay, Cassandra, HBase. Okay, DynamoDB. Okay, and Neo4j. Okay, Neo4j, etc. All these are nothing but an NoSQL databases, or we can say it as in what? Non-relational database management system softwares, case. So in the relational management, in the relational database softwares, always the data will be managed in what? In the relational database management system, how the data will be managed internally, sir? In the form of a structured format in RDBMS database softwares. Always the data will be maintained in the form of what? A structured format, sir. That to what? Two-dimensional data. Okay, that to what? Yeah, that's what I told you, Abhijit. Where we have to use the RDBMS, where we have to use non-RDBMS, as I already told you on the clearly in the most of the internet applications. Okay, in the most of the internet applications, in our day-to-day activity for day-to-day activity for like Ashok IT portal or or LinkedIn web application. Okay, so most of the e-commerce applications and banking applications, we are going to use RDBMS database softwares only. Okay, most of the e-commerce applications such as what Flipkart, Amazon, okay, Mintra, all these are e-commerce applications, and the banking applications, definitely they are going to use what RDBMS database softwares only, sir. Okay, so whenever the data is not having a proper structure, such as like such as so any POCs, wanted to develop for a project, or some of the applications like Facebook and all these are Facebook. Okay, Facebook is internally using like as in the NoSQL databases only, sir. Understand? Because they do not have a proper structure for the data. That's why they are going to use what non-RDBMS database softwares or NoSQL database softwares case. Understand? Yes, as I told you, some important points with respect to the SQL, sir, on yesterday. Can you please highlight those points as well? SQL stands for Structured Query Language, which helps to communicate from, which helps us to communicate with what database from, which helps us to communicate with the database from the end user, right or not? As a end user, he will be the passing some sort of SQL statements to the database or not? Come on, guys. As a end user, he will pass like as in some sort of as a end user. As a end user means nothing but an what, it's a normal user, sir. Simply I can say it as an user. Okay, as a end user, he will be the passing like as in what SQL statements. He will be the passing like as in the SQL statements or queries. Okay, the queries to whom? Database software, guys. Okay, database softwares. Okay, which database software, sir? These are nothing but an what RDBMS database softwares only, sir. Okay, as a end user, they will be the passing as an what SQL statements or the queries. Okay, SQL statements or the queries to an RDBMS database software case. Okay, yesterday yesterday I shown you, we have taken like as in the one table, sir. Yesterday, if you remember correctly, so we have taken like as in the customer table, right? So we have like as in the customer table, right or not, sir? Yesterday we have taken like as in the customer table. Okay. Okay. Yes. So yesterday we have taken like as in the customer table, sir. Can you please filter the customers who are residing at Hyderabad? What is the SQL statement we have passed, sir, to the database software? What is the SQL statement we have passed to the database software, sir? Select star from select star from. This is what the SQL statement we have passed, right or not? So as I told you, SQL statements are nothing but an just like as in the normal English statements, sir. Okay, just like as in the normal English statement, SQL statements are case sensitive or case insensitive. Case insensitive, sir. You can write like as in the sequels. You can write like as in the sequel in any uppercase or lowercase, sir. No doubt. SQL is in the case insensitive query language, sir. Understand? And at the same way, SQL supports like as in what ANSI standard. ANSI standard. It is nothing but an universal language for any kind of an RDBMS database softwares. Right? Yes, this is what the importance of an SQL, sir, which we have discussed on yesterday. Okay. Yes, sir. And one more thing, sir. Okay. Yesterday as a end user. Okay. What is our business requirement? What is our business requirement, sir? Wanted to wanted to get all the customers. Okay. All the customers who are residing at what? Who are residing at what? Hyderabad. This is what our business requirement. Okay. So see, as I already told you guys, if you are managing the customer information in a multiple Excel files, means the getting that customers information who are residing at Hyderabad will take some time to you to get the list of customers, right or not? But at the same way, the same activity, if you store that customer information in the database within the milliseconds, you can, okay, within the milliseconds, you can get that information from the database in front of you, right or not? If you are managing this activity, if you are managing the customer's data in the database means, tell me, within the milliseconds, can you get that customer's information who are residing at Hyderabad in front of you within the milliseconds or not? Come on, guys. Yes. This is what the this is what like as in the business requirement we have as a end user, sir, as a programmer or the end user. As you can make it as an what, end user or the programmer, okay, or the DBA developer or the DB developer, anything, sir, programmer or the developer, he will be the passing what, some SQL statement, sir. Okay, he will be the passing what, one SQL statement. What is that SQL statement? Select a star from customers. So customers is nothing but on the table name, sir. Okay, select a star from customers, sir. So star means nothing but on all the columns from what table, sir? Customers table, sir. So condition, sir. Where means nothing but an in our customers table. Okay, in our customers table, we have like as in the multiple customers with different locations, sir. But as per our business requirement, we require to have what, Hyderabad employees only. So that condition we need to specify here as in what, in where condition, sir. Customer location is what, Hyderabad. Okay, this is what the SQL statement we are passing to whom, database, guys. Okay, which database? So which database? If you are RDBMS database, guys, RDBMS database. This is what the things are. Okay, tell me in this case, what is an output you are going to get, sir? What is the output you are going to get? Only 1025 customer information or not? Come on, guys. What is the output you are going to get? 1025 customer information only we are getting, right? So why? Because as per our table, we have only the one employee which are residing at Hyderabad, sir. That is Mahesh, customer of an customer ID as an what? So 1025. Understand, guys? So yeah, this is what one typical requirement. Okay, typical business requirement wanted to get like as in the customers information who are residing at Hyderabad, sir. So as a programmer, as a DB guy, as a DB developer, so he will be the passing what, some SQL statement, sir. This is what an SQL statement. This we can call it as an what, query as well, as I already told you guys. So this is nothing but an what. Okay, this is nothing but an what, guys? SQL statement, sir. This is nothing but an what? SQL statement. SQL statement. Or we can say what? Query. Okay, or we can say what? Query, sir. In the DB terminology, that SQL statement technically call it as an what? One SQL query, sir. Okay, every SQL query will be terminated with what? Semicolon. That will indicates what? One SQL statement, sir. Okay. Yes. At a time, only one SQL statement will be executed in the structured query language, or more than one SQL statement will be executed, sir. Can you guys please confirm? At a time, only one SQL statement will be executed in the SQL, or more than one statement will be executed? Only one SQL, sir. Only one SQL statement will be executed, sir. If you want to execute more than one means, then you need to go for what? PLSQL. PLSQL, sir. PLSQL means what? PLSQL stands for what, sir? Procedural language. Procedural language using what? Structured query language, sir. Procedural language using what? Structured query language. In the procedural language, you can have an option to execute like multiple queries. Okay, multiple queries at a time. That is possible, sir. This is what the things we have discussed on yesterday, sir. Hope you guys are clear up to now. Up to now, hope you guys are clear. As part of our today's session, okay, as part of our today's session, guys, okay, as part of our today's session, what we are going to see, sir? Observe carefully, sir. As part of our today's session, so we will see, we will see, we will see like as an the Oracle, sir. Okay, we will see like as an what is Oracle. Okay, we will see what is Oracle. Okay, that is the first thing, sir, we are going to cover. Okay, the second thing what we are going to cover is installing the Oracle. Installing like as in the Oracle. Installing like as in the Oracle, or we can say what? Environmental setup. Environmental setup for what? Oracle as well. That is the second step, sir. Third step is what? Interacting with Oracle, sir. Okay. In after completion of and the install after installing the Oracle software in your machine, how we are going to interact with another Oracle, sir. Okay. How we are going to interact with another Oracle database using what? As a DBA, and the normal user, sir. As a EBA, DBA or normal user. How we are going to interact with the Oracle user, Oracle database with using what? DBA or the user, sir. Understand? So the fourth one is what? So the fourth one is what? Different. Okay. So user interfaces. Okay. User interfaces for what? User interfaces for okay. User interfaces for Oracle, sir. Okay. Yes. These are the things which we are going to be the cover as part of our today's session, sir. Can you guys please tell me what is the Oracle, sir? What is the Oracle? What is the Oracle, sir? Oracle is an RDBMS database software or not? Oracle is nothing but it's a one of the RDBMS database software which maintains the data in the structured format or two-dimensional format, right? Two-dimensional format, sir. So who is the owner for the Oracle? Who is the owner for the Oracle, sir? Who is the owner for the Oracle database? Oracle Corporation, right or not? So who is the who will the what? So who is the owner for the Oracle, sir? Oracle Corporation, sir. That's all. Okay. So see here, Oracle, Oracle, sir. Oracle is an one of the Oracle is the one of the RDBMS. Okay, RDBMS database software, sir. One of the RDBMS database software. Okay, one of the RDBMS database software, guys. Okay, and which can maintains the data. Okay, which can maintains the data in a structured format. Okay, in a structured format, sir. Okay, so in Oracle, always, okay, in the Oracle, always the data will be stored. Okay, the data will be stored in two-dimensional format. Okay, so two-dimensional format, sir. Two-dimensional format, or we can say what? Tabular format. Okay, you are already know that one. What is the tabular format? Nothing but the rows and the columns, sir. Okay, yes. So Oracle database is from where? Oracle Corporation. Okay, Oracle database is from where, guys? Oracle Corporation. Okay, by using like as an SQL, language, we can interact. We can interact with what? We can interact with what? Oracle database. Oracle database. And Oracle contains like as in the two sys. Oracle contains what? Oracle contains what? Two parts. Okay, two parts, sir. Okay, two parts. What are those? Oracle contains like as in the two parts, sir. Number one. So that is number one, sir. Number one. Okay, so number one, that is nothing but on the SQL, sir. So SQL. Okay, SQL. Oracle contains what? Like as in the SQL. Another one is what? PLSQL. Okay, PLSQL, sir. Procedural language using what? SQL, sir. So okay, Oracle will contains what? Two parts, sir. One is a SQL. Okay, another one is what? A PLSQL, sir. Okay, so SQL is for what? Which is used for storing and managing and retrieving the information from database. Understand, guys? So SQL is what? Used for what? Storing the data, managing the data, or retrieving the data from the database case. Okay, retrieving the data or storing and retrieving and managing the data from database software case. That's all. Okay, PLSQL is for what? Okay, so PLSQL is for what, sir? Executing some business logic, some business rules, or business logic. Okay, business logic at the database or in database software case. Okay, generally, if you are a Java developer, so sometimes you are writing like as in the business logic inside the Java application, right? And at the same way as in the database side as well, if you wanted to perform some kind of business logic at the database end, means definitely you need to write that business rules or business logic inside the what? The database software only, by using what? Stored procedures, or we can say what? Stored functions, sir. Okay, stored functions. We are going to write the business logic inside the database software using what concepts, sir? Can you guys please confirm? Can you guys please confirm? In order to write some kind of a business logics in the database side, so using like as in the what concepts, sir? We are going to use here stored procedures, or we can say what? Stored procs, or we can say what? Stored functions, sir. Using these two concepts only, you can write some kind of business logics inside the database software case in place of what? Java application. Understand, guys? Wherever in the Java application development, you are going to write some kind of business logic, right? Such as calculating the total marks of the student, and calculating the average marks of the student, and generating the student results. Okay, such a kind of a business logics also you can do at the database side also, with the help of what? Stored procedures and stored functions, sir. Okay, so we will see like how to write the business logic using the stored procs and stored procedures in the PLSQL discussion, sir. Hope you guys are clear. Hope you guys are clear with that so far. Yes, sir. Good, sir. Good. Okay. This is the simple, the brief about like as in the Oracle, sir. This is simple brief about like as in the Oracle. Oracle is one of the RDBMS database software which can maintains the data in the structured format, sir. And in the Oracle, always the data will be stored in the form of two-dimensional format or tabular format. Using the Oracle database is from where? Oracle Corporation. Using the SQL language, we can interact with the database software. We can interact with the Oracle database case. Okay, this is what the simple brief about like as in the Oracle, sir. In the next session, we will see like what are the different versions and its importance of the Oracle as well. As of now, for the time being, so we just need to know some base information of what is Oracle. Hope you guys are clear. Now we will be the jumping onto the what? How to install the Oracle, sir. How to install the Oracle, sir. As I already told you, the latest version of the Oracle is what? What is the latest version of Oracle, sir? What is the latest version of Oracle? Oracle latest version is what? Oracle latest version is what, sir? 21C Express Edition, sir. Okay. So Oracle latest version of Express Edition is what, sir? That is Oracle 21C Express Edition, sir. This is what the latest version of the Oracle with respect to what edition, sir? Express Edition. Okay, Express Edition is a freeware. Express is nothing but the Express Edition is nothing but the freeware, sir. You can develop like as in the applications using Express Edition. This is the freeware, sir. Okay, it is a freeware. I mean to say, when compared with the Enterprise Edition, and somewhere we have the two more editions as well. Okay, Express Edition is what? Somewhat freeware edition, sir. Okay, so the latest version of Oracle is what? 21C Express Edition, sir. Okay, yes, as I already told you guys, as I already told you on the yesterday's session, we are not going to install the latest version of Oracle Express Edition, sir. What is the reason why we are not installing, sir? Why we are not installing the latest version of an Express Edition in our mission? Come on, guys. Because it is taking like as in the more than 20 GB of our hard drive, sir. It is taking like as in the more than 20 GB of an hard drive space in your mission. If you wanted to install the Oracle 21C Express Edition means you can install it in the separate drive. Okay. Don't install in operating system directory, sir. Don't install in a operating system directory, sir. Definitely that your system performance will be down. Okay. I am always recommending you to, if you wanted to install the Oracle 21C Express Edition means it should be in the what? Separate disk direct, separate drive, sir. Okay. Yes, that is what I told you guys. Okay. So see now which version of the Oracle we are going to install in our mission. Which version of Oracle we are going to install in our mission? Okay. So we are okay. We are going to install the Oracle 11G Express Edition, sir. Okay. Express Edition. Okay. Which is an what? Lightweight. Which is an the lightweight version of the Oracle database. Hope you guys are comfortable or not. So you cannot download the 11G Express Edition from the Oracle Corporation website, sir, because they are recently removed that version from the Oracle Corporation site itself. So some of the web, so in the internet, some of the people are placed that Oracle 11G Express Edition in their cloud platforms. So that's why we are able to download that 11G Express Edition into our local mission. Understand, guys? As I already given you that URL, so I already uploaded that Oracle 11G Express Edition in the some Mediafire cloud. Okay, I already shared you that URL, guys. So to download the Oracle 11G Express Edition, sir. Right or not? This is what like as in the URL. This is what like as in the URL to download the Oracle 11G Express Edition in our mission, guys. Understand, guys, everyone? Understand, guys? Yeah. Okay. Yes. This is what the URL, guys. This is what like as in the URL you guys need to download, sir. Just copy this URL, sir. Just copy this URL and paste it here. Okay. And paste it here, sir. And right now this Oracle 11G Express Edition, which is having like 316 MB of software, guys. I already downloaded into my mission. Okay, I already downloaded into mission, sir. So first we are going to install like what? Oracle 11G Express Edition, which is in the lightweight version of what? Oracle database. Okay. So and download the database, download the Oracle database with the given URL, sir. Download the Oracle database in the given URL, in the below URL. Understand, guys? Understand? Yes. So once you download that, one, sir. Once you download that one, okay. Okay. So once you download that one, sir. Okay. Once you download that one, okay. Once you download that one, you will be getting this kind of zip folder, sir. Understand? Once you download that one, once you download that one, you will be getting what? This zip folder. So you need to extract this zip folder into the normal folder, sir. Definitely to extract the zip folder into the normal folder in your mission, either you need to have like as in the 7-zip software or WinZip software, sir. Okay, definitely your system need to have what? Either WinZip software or 7-zip software, guys, to extract the zip file into a normal folder. That is what the second step, sir. Okay, that is what the second step. Step one is what? Downloading the step one is what? Downloading the 11G Express Edition from from the cloud, sir. Okay, that is what the first one, sir. Step one. Okay, what is the step two? Step two, after downloading, okay, After downloading, step 2, sir. Okay. Step 2 is for what? Step 2. After completion of downloading, sir. Okay. So need to extract the zip folder. Okay, need to extract the zip file into what? Normal folder, into a folder, sir. Okay, using what? By using what? Either WinZip software, either WinZip or 7-zip software, sir. Okay, what software, guys? 7-zip software. Okay, if you do not have any WinZip software or 7-zip software in your mission, sir, you need to download that respective softwares from your mission. Okay, you need to download that respective softwares from the website, from the Google, and you need to complete the installation process as a simple installation process, sir. Nothing more than that. If you have either any one of these softwares only, you can able to extract that zip folder into a normal folder, sir. Understand my point or not? That is what the second step, sir. Okay, just a second step is what? Extracting the zip file. Extracting what? Zip file to what? Normal folder. That's all. Okay, for outline of this point. Okay, normal folder, sir. That's all. Okay, so what is the step 3, sir? What is the step 3? Okay, what is the step 3, sir? So open that extracted folder, sir. Okay, open the extracted folder. Open the extracted folder and find the executable file, sir. And find the what? Executable file. Nothing but an what, sir? Find the executable file means nothing but an what? .exe file, sir. .exe file. So in our extracted folder, see here, this is what an extracted folder, sir. Okay, this is what like as an extracted folder here. One minute. This is what an extracted folder, sir. In that extracted folder, you have like as an executable file or not? That is called setup. Okay, this is what the location, sir. This is what the location where you need to click on executable file. Okay, so find the below location. Find the below location for executable file. Okay, executable file, sir. Okay, yes, sir. Okay, yes. In my case, okay, in my case, where the Oracle 11G is available, sir? In my case, on the desktop, right? On the desktop. So on the desktop, there is in the folder with the name called what? Oracle 11G, 11G 60, 11G Express Edition, right? So see, in my case, it is having on my desktop. Okay, in your case, maybe on any one of your hard drive. Okay, so to make it consistent, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to make it as an what? Oracle Home. Oracle Home means what? A place where the Oracle software is available in your machine. Okay, a place where the Oracle software is available in your machine, that is called Oracle Home. Okay, a place where the Oracle software is available in your machine, that is called Oracle Home. In that Oracle Home, you need to find like as in the folder with the name called what? Disk 1. Under that, what is the folder, sir? What is the file name, sir? Setup.executable file, sir. Understand? That is what the step 3, sir. Step 3 is nothing but what? Open the extracted folder, sir, and find the executable file. Find the executable file in the below location. In the below location of what? In the below location for in the extracted folder, sir. Understand? This is what the thing, sir. What is the Oracle Home, sir? A place where the Oracle software is available in your machine called what? Oracle Home. Okay, a place a place where the Oracle database software, a place where the Oracle database software is available, that is nothing but on what? Oracle Home, sir. Understand? A place where the Oracle database software is available, that is called what? Oracle Home. That's all. In my case, the Oracle software is available on my desktop. In your case, maybe on the Oracle software is on your any one of your hard drive. Okay, that is what the things are. Okay, and step 4, after finding that executable file, Step 4 is what? Okay, step 4 is what? Complete the installation process. Okay, complete the installation process just by double clicking on it. Okay, just by what? Double clicking on it, sir. Just by what? Double clicking on it. Or we can say what? Just like as in the normal software installation. Just like what? A normal, just like what? A normal software installation, sir. Okay, just like as in what? A normal software installation in our computer, in our machine, I can say it as an not computer, sir. Okay, we cannot talk like as in the terms like computer or the laptop. So technically we can call that the computer or the laptop as in what? Mission. Okay, yes. Complete the installation process by just double clicking on it. Okay, until the finish button, sir. Until the finish button. Okay, until we get like as in the finish button. Or we can say what? Just like as in the normal software installation process, just clicking on the next and next until unless you will get the finish button, sir. That's all. Shall we do that one, sir? Shall we do that one? Let's try do that one, sir. Okay, go to the disk one. Okay, go for the setup. Okay, so it is preparing to install the Oracle 11G Express Edition, sir. It is preparing to install like Oracle 11G Express Edition. Okay, yeah, just it will take like not more than 5 minutes, guys, to complete the installation process. It's maximum of 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. Our installation will be completed in within 5 to 10 minutes of the 5 to 10 minutes, sir. Welcome to installation shield of Wizard for the Oracle 11G Express Edition, sir. We are going to install what, sir? Oracle 11G Express Edition. Just click on the next. Okay, just click on the next. You need to accept the license, sir. You need to accept the license. Just click on the next. Just click on the next. Okay, yeah. See here, guys. This is what the installation wizard. Okay, this is an installation wizard. So where it is going to install the Oracle, where it is going to install this Oracle 11G Express Edition, sir. By default, by default in my operating system directory, sir. Oracle database software always by default it is going to occupying on what? Operating system directory, sir. Okay, sir. This will take this space requires what? Something like 630 MB, sir. 630 MB is required to complete the installation process. Okay, so I will continue with the same location, sir. Okay, I will continue with the same location. This is taking like as in the more, this is not taking much more the spaces, sir. I will be the continuing on the same, sir. Right now in my C drive, I'm having like as an 18 GB of space. Out of that 18 GB, it's just taking as an what? 600 MB, sir, 630 MB, sir. Okay, I will continue with that location, sir. Operating system directory. On the C drive, it is going to create like as in the one folder called what? Oracle XE folder. Just click on the next. Okay, yes. So observe carefully, guys. Observe carefully. It is asking you Oracle. So during the installation process, it is asking you like as in the password, sir. It is just asking like as in the password. So please read out the statement carefully, sir. Enter and confirm the password for the database, and this password will be used for both sys and system database account. Sys and the system are nothing but the DBA accounts. Understand, guys? Sys are system or nothing but the DBA accounts, sir. Whatever the password you are providing here, just remember that password, sir. Okay, just remember that password. Okay, so later this username and password will be helpful for us. Okay, I just given my password as an what? Manager, sir. Okay, I'm just following some standard here. So system account, it's going to be always going to be the manager will be the password. I'm just using like as in the password. Whatever the password you have provided here, that password is related to what accounts? Sys account or system account. So those are nothing but an DBA accounts for your database. Understand? Just click on the next, sir. Just click on the next. So see, sir. So take the screenshot. Take the screenshot of this. Take this information, sir. Take this information. Okay. Take this information and put aside. I will tell you that. Yes, this is what the information, sir. Okay. See, if you guys observe carefully, it is giving you the clear information to you. So where it is going to install the Oracle 11G Express Edition on the operating system directory with the folder with the name called Oracle XE. Okay. So Oracle Home, a place where the Oracle is installed is called what? Oracle Home, sir. Okay. Oracle is installing on what? Oracle XE folder. Under that app, there is in the Oracle folder will be there product 11.2.0 server. This is what the location of our Oracle Home, sir. Okay. So what is the Oracle base folder? So base folder is what? C drive Oracle X is the base folder, sir. What is the port number? What is the port is going to be occupying on our the database listener? That is 1521, sir. That is 1521. Okay. And so Microsoft transaction server is what? 2030. This much information is required. Okay. Just click on the install button. Just click on the install button. Just click on the install button, sir. Okay. Yes. Let me put that point here. Okay. So complete the installation process, sir. It will take like 3 to 4 minutes, sir. Okay, to complete that installation process. And before that one, we'll write some points here. Complete the installation process just by double clicking on it until you get like as in the finish button, sir. Or just like as in the normal software installation process in our mission. Normal software installation process in our mission, sir. Understand, guys? Yes. Okay. Step 5. What is that one, guys? The step 5, sir. Step 5. Okay. So during the installation, okay, during the installation, okay, during the Oracle database installation, okay. So during the Oracle database installation, okay, we need to remember the password. We need to remember what? The password given for the DBA account, database administrator accounts. What are the DBA accounts, sir? What are the DBA account we have during the installation? We seen, right? That is sys or what? System, sir. Okay. So DBA account username is what? Sys or system, sir. Okay. For that, for those two accounts, we just given as on the password as on what, sir? Manager. Okay. We just provided like as in the password as in what? Manager, sir. Okay. So, and we provided and we provided the password for the DBA accounts as what? DBA accounts as what? Manager, sir. Sir, in my case, I provided the manager. In your case, if you wanted to put your name, you can add it. No doubt. Okay. You can add it, sir. Understand? Yeah. This much of taking task on time. Anybody trying the installation along with me? Anybody trying to install along with me? Why this much is taking time? Basically, this much time will not take, sir. Basically, okay. Maybe I installed like couple of times in my mission, so that's why it is taking some kind of that's why it is taking some time here. But in your case, definitely it will take like only the max of 5 to 10 minutes for completing the installation process, sir. Nothing more than that. Okay. Yes, sir. Got it. So the installation is getting completed, sir. Getting completed. Okay. On the desktop, you got like as an icon, right? On the desktop, you got like as an icon, get started with Oracle. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Sir, don't I mean to say that we installed you no need to worry about, sir. You no need to worry about like as in the version to be worked with on the Oracle, sir. Any version is fine to work with on the Oracle, no doubt. Okay, any version is good. Any version is good to work with the Oracle, sir. Whether it might be on the 11G or a 10G or a 12C or 18C or a 20 or 21C, any version is fine. Okay, any version is fine. The reason behind we are installing like 11G Express Edition is for what? Because of lightweight software, sir. Okay, lightweight software. That's all. Okay, why it is taking much time for me? Yeah, sir. Maximum of 10 minutes of time to complete the installation process, sir. Nothing more than that. Okay, so maybe due to some issue in my mission, it is taking some time. Okay, because earlier I installed like 18C and 21C. I just uninstalled on the day before yesterday or the 2 days back. So due to some reason, I also cleaned the registry software as well. Maybe that would be the reason. It is taking some time. Okay, fine. Okay, so like during the Oracle database installation, we need to remember the password given for the DBA account of the sys or system, and we need to provide that the password for the DBA account as what? Manager, sir. And we provided the password for my DBA account in my case as what? In my case as what? As manager. In my case what? As manager, sir. Okay, as manager, guys. Understand? So in your case, whatever the password you have provided, just remember that one, sir. Okay, these are the 5 steps you need to follow to complete the installation process of an Oracle, sir. Hope you guys are comfortable so far. The 5 steps, whatever the things we have followed here. So first you need to download the zip file from the Mediafire Cloud, which I have already shared you. Okay, after extracting that folder into the zip folder, you need to find the executable file in that folder, sir. Just double click on it and complete the installation process. That's all. Nothing more than that. Okay. Yes. Yeah. See, sir. So the installation got finished or not? Okay, the setup has been finished. Installing the Oracle database 11G Express Edition on your computer, sir. So once you got like as in the finish button, so seems that the our installation got completed, sir. Our installation got completed. Hope you guys are comfortable. Yes. So yes, sir. This is what the thing, sir. This is what like as in the installation process of an Oracle 11G Express Edition in our mission. That's done. So that's done, sir. So installing like as in the Oracle in our mission is a simple process or not, guys? Installing like as in the Oracle 11G Express Edition is in the simple process or not? Tell me, guys. Right? Okay. Okay. Fine, sir. Clear? Any doubts up to now? Yes. Yes, sir. 1 minute. I'm going to give you that the link again. Okay. Some of them are requesting that the link. Let me share you that. Yeah, I will take your questions. Just wait for a minute. Okay. Just wait for a minute, sir. Okay. Done, sir. Okay. We are done with the Oracle installation process. Okay. Now, what we need to do, sir? So now we need to interact with the Oracle database or not? Come on, guys. Come on, guys. We need to interact with the Oracle database or not? Yes. Now the thing is what? Interacting with the. So see, sir, and one more the thing, sir. Important information. This is what the important information, sir. So note, okay, just for reference, sir. Okay, this is for what? Just for information. Okay, just for our information, for your information. Okay, where our Oracle software is installed, where our Oracle database is, Oracle home folder is there, where which port it is listening, all this such a stuff information we are just providing here, sir. That's all, nothing more than that. Okay, now we will see interacting with the Oracle database, guys. Okay, Oracle database. Okay, so in order, okay, in order in order to interact with the Oracle database. Okay, so Oracle database. So Oracle corporation, Oracle vendor. Okay, Oracle vendor provided, so provided SQL star plus editor. Okay, SQL okay, in order to interact with the Oracle database software. So Oracle vendor has provided what? SQL star plus editor, editor user interface, sir. Understand, guys? SQL star plus editor interface. Okay, which is an what? Which is an what? Command line interface. Which is an what? Command line interface, guys. Command line interface means at a time you need to pass like as an one command at a time, sir. Okay, so in order to interact with the Oracle database, Oracle vendor, okay, Oracle vendor provided like as an what prompt, what interface, sir? SQL star plus editor interface. SQL star plus editor, sir. Okay, SQL star plus editor, which is an what? Command line interface, sir. How can you open that the command line interface, sir? Okay, in order to interact with the Oracle, so how can I open that command line interface, sir? Okay, command line interface. Observe carefully. Observe carefully. Go to the start menu. Okay, what is the first step, sir? Go to the start menu. Okay, and search and search and search like as in the word called what? Search the word as what? SQL. Okay, search like as in word as in what? SQL. And you will find an option. Find the option. Find the option as what? Find the option as what? Run SQL command line. Understand, guys? Go to the start menu. Okay, go to the start menu and search for the SQL. Okay, there is an option called, we have an option called, right? Run SQL command line or not? Just click on it. Just click on it, guys. The prompt will be the open for you, right or not? So you can change the properties, guys. You can change it to the properties. Okay. So you can go with what? Layout. Sorry, 1 minute. Yes. Okay. Okay, fine. So this is what the SQL run as a SQL command, run as a SQL command line prompt, sir. Okay. So this prompt This prompt will comes along with your Oracle database installation, sir. This prompt will comes along with your Oracle 11G database installation process. Understand, guys? Run as a SQL command line. Prompt will prompt will comes along with the Oracle along with the Oracle 11G Express Edition installation process. Okay, Express Edition installation process, guys. Installation process. That's all. Okay. Yes, sir. So this is what the things are. Okay. The first step is what? How can you open the how can you open that command prompt? How can you open that SQL command line prompt, sir? How can you open like SQL command line prompt? So go to the start menu and search with the word called what? SQL. Okay, search with the word called what? SQL. Okay, if you search with the SQL, if you search with the word called SQL means there is the prompt you are going to get. Run the SQL command line. Okay, just select that one. Okay, if you select that one means you can get the prompt like this. Okay, this prompt will comes along with the operating system or along with the Oracle database installation process. Come on, guys. This prompt will get along with the Oracle database installation process or operating system. Oracle database installation processor. Okay. And it is prompting to what? SQL. And it is prompting to what? SQL, guys. Okay. Just let us increase the font. Yes. See here, guys. This is what like as in the prompt, sir. Okay. This is what like as in the prompt here. Okay. So if I wanted to connect with another Oracle, if I wanted to connect with another Oracle, sir, either you can use connect word, sir. Okay. So connect word. If you wanted to connect with the Oracle database means, see, observe carefully. Oracle star plus SQL star plus is nothing but on what? Editor. SQL is for what? It's nothing but on the database query language. SQL star plus is what? Editor, sir. Editor for what version of Oracle? 11G Express Edition, sir. Okay, 11G Express Edition. So if I want to connect with 11G Express Edition, so you can use the word called what? Connect. So it will ask you immediately. It will ask you like as on the username, sir. So username. So username system, sir. During the installation process, we have seen the two usernames, sys or system, right? I'm just giving like as in the system, sir. Okay, and it is prompting like as in the password, sir. Just enter your password, sir. Okay, just enter your password. Okay, and password will not be visible on the screen, sir. When you are entering the password will not be visible on the screen. Just enter your password and hit on the enter. Then it is getting what? Then it is getting what? Database got connected. Agree or not? Agree or not, sir? So the next step is what? After opening the command prompt. Okay, after opening the SQL command line. Okay, after opening the SQL command line, so execute the below commands. Executing the below command to connect with the Oracle database. To connect with what? Oracle database software, guys. Okay. Yes. What is that one, sir? This is the one. Okay. This is the one, sir. Okay. SQL connect. Either you can use what? Connect, sir. Just type like as in the word as in what? Connect. So then it will ask you immediately. It will ask you like as in the what? And then after giving that password, hit enter, sir. Hit enter. Hit enter. After giving that to connect covered, sir, you need to hit the enter, sir. It will prompt you what? Username, sir. After providing the system as in the username, immediately you need to hit as in what? Enter. And you need to enter the password, sir. You need to enter the password. Okay. So you need to enter the password, and password will not be visible to you. Understand, guys? Visible to you. Just we need to type it. That's all. We need to type the password, and we need to type the password and hit on the enter immediately. Hit on the enter, sir. That's all. So now We connected with what account? DBA account or user account, sir? Come on, guys. We connected with what account? DBA account or user account? We connected with what account, guys? DBA account or user account? DBA account, sir, not user account. Understand? We just connected with what? DBA account. Okay. DBA accounts are not user account. Yes, sir. So, so when you are entering like as in the password, if you are getting some any kind of an error means, so it is getting like as in any kind of an error means, then you need to what? You need to enter the proper password. Yes. You cannot have a share screen option. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yes. This is what how we are going to connect with another Oracle database using what? Command line interfaces, sir. Yes, sir. Definitely, sir. Okay. Company, when you are working within the company, okay, when you are working within the company, sir, definitely they will provide you the database username and password to connect with an respective environment database. So definitely how to disconnect? Yeah, nothing, sir. Okay, it's nothing, sir. Just go for an exit. That's all. Okay, just how to disconnect, sir. That's nothing but an what? Exit, sir. Okay, if I want to connect back again, if I wanted to connect back again, just run. Okay, just go with what? SQL command line and just type like as an connect word system and the manager. That's all. Yes, sir. I will show you, sir. Shubham Nikam. Like I will show you how to reset the password as well. Yes, sir. As I told you, commands, when you work with the Oracle, the commands are when you work with any version of Oracle, all the commands will be the same. Understand? So after connecting to the database, I wanted to verify what would be the user, which user I was logged in. Okay. Then you can go with what? Show user. Okay. Show user command, sir. It will show you like as in the user which you have logged in, sir. Okay, which you have logged in, sir. For the DBA accounts you cannot change like as an usernames, sir. For the DBA account you cannot have an option to change the usernames. Understand? Okay, so we will create like as an our own user account and we will change like as in the password of our own user account as well in the next tomorrow session. Okay, got it, the issue. Okay, yes. You are getting what? TNS host unreachable, sir. Okay, you are getting like as an what? TNS host unreachable. Okay, yes, sir. I will tell you that solution for that. Just a minute. Hmm. The problem is that you are already installed with the Oracle, right? That's why that is the problem with that, sir. Okay. Yes, no problem. I will tell you that the solution for that. No worries. Okay. Yeah. Yes, sir. You can write like as in the queries in the browser as well. I'm going to show you in the tomorrow session. As of now, I'm just showing you how to interact with another Oracle database using what? Command line interface. Command line interface, sir. Okay. Just show like as in the user, sir. Just connect to the database using what? Connect command and enter the username, password, and you will get like as in the prompt like what? Connected, sir. And then how can you view the username? How can you show the how can you view the username of the logged account? Then you can use what command, sir? Show underscore user, sir. Yeah, I will tell you, sir. Just wait for a day. Okay, I will tell you how to reset the password. So which password you wanted to show? You wanted to reset DBA account? Sir, nothing, sir. In order to disconnect to the database, just type a command called exit. That's all. It will exit from the SQL prompt. Understand? That is what the commands are. Exit command. Just type like as an exit. Okay. It will exit from the command prompt, sir. As exit from the SQL prompt. Okay. If you want to clear the screen of the previous commands, then you can type a command called what? CLR SCR space. Okay. Show user, sir. Show user is the command. I wanted to clear the screen. CL space SCR. Clear screen, sir. That's all. Understand, guys? Show user is nothing but just displaying the current user, sir, of the database. Okay. Yeah, I will tell you the solution, sir. I will tell you the solution when the DNS host is unreachable. I will tell you the solution. Just wait for the tomorrow session. I will show you that the navigation. Okay. I will show you that the navigation, sir. Okay. Yes, sir. As of now, we just connected with the database. We did not created or we did not verify how many tables are there, how many users are there, all this stuff, right? So in order to view all the users in your system, so you need to write a one command for that. Select star from all underscore users, sir. Understand? All underscore users. These are the users. These are the users which are existed in our database. These are the users which comes along with your database installation process. Understand, guys? Okay. Yes. Okay. So after connecting to the database, guys, okay. So if you wanted to view the current user, okay, then what is the command for that? Show user, sir. Nothing but an what? Viewing the current username, sir. Current username. That's all. Okay. And and clear screen, sir. What is the another command, sir? We learn here SQL prompt, then CL space SCR. That is nothing but an what? Clear screen, sir. Clear screen. That's all. Okay. Then how can you quit from the SQL prompt? How can you quit from the SQL prompt? Nothing but an exit. Nothing but an what? Quit from SQL prompt, sir. SQL prompt. That's all. Okay. How can you view all the users of the database? How can you view all the users of the database? Select star from all underscore users, sir. That's all. Okay. Select star from all underscore users. These are the commands which we have learned for the today, sir. Okay. In the tomorrow session, I will show you how to interact with the DB using web page as well. Okay. How to interact with the database, how to interact with the Oracle DB using like as a web page, sir. Using as in the web page. Okay. Whatever the problem you got, the TNS destination as unreachable, that I'm going to show you that the solution in the tomorrow session. CLR SCR command showing no command interpreter. Where you are executing, sir? Yes. Okay. Yes, sir. Sir, if it is taking like as in the more than time, so just restart the mission, sir, once. Okay, just restart the missions. Restart the mission. That's all. Okay. So try to follow the same steps. Okay. Try to follow like as in the same steps in your mission and complete the installation process successfully. Complete the installation process successfully, sir. Okay. Tomorrow before attending the session, okay, you need to complete the installation process and be ready with Oracle database case and be ready with the Oracle database. Understand? Yes. Whatever the error, sir, whatever the errors you are facing, TNS host unreachable, that I'm going to show you that solution in the tomorrow's session, sir. Okay. Don't worry. So I will tell you that solution. how to solve that problem as well. Okay. Yes. Okay. Any other questions, guys? Any other questions? Whoever having the question, please raise a hand. I will give you the unmute option for you. Yes. You can unmute. You can unmute and you can ask your question.
Yes, sir. Sir, I can use the IntelliJ ID. Sir, if any problem to connection with the database?
Sir, you can connect with the Oracle database in any approach, sir. Okay. That's
Yes,
your
sir.
wish. That's your wish.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. But we are just following like as in the standard way. One is what? One is by using what? CLI interface. Another one is what? Web page. Another one is what? GUI tools as well. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Yes, sir. So see, Anvish Adav. So what is the difference between 11G and 21C? So G stands for generally grid, sir. C stands for cloud. Cloud supporting Oracle version and grid supporting Oracle version, sir. Okay. We will talk about those things, sir. Sir, why my console is not showing? Can you share the screenshot, sir? I will ask like as an admin team to create a WhatsApp group for our batch so that whatever the problems are there in your whatever the problems are there, you can ask me. You can share the screenshots in that group. Okay, Tirupati, I given you the unmute option for you. You can.
Regarding this notes, where you are uploading this one? I haven't found in that Ashok IT portal
Yes,
when
sir.
I logged in.
Yes. Got it. So as of now, on the day basis, we are uploading the notes in the GitHub, sir. Okay, I will get the GitHub link from the admin team by today, and will share you that link in the tomorrow session.
Sure. That means you are sharing with that WhatsApp group itself only.
No. So I'm going to share you.
Mail.
I'm going to share you that the link in the tomorrow's class over the chat.
Okay.
Okay, so that you can access that link in your browser.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Okay, yeah. Any questions? Any other questions, guys? Yeah, Suresh Babu, like this is the third session, sir. This is the third session. Oh, sorry, this is what like fourth session. Sorry. Okay, this is what like as in the session 4. These are the 3 backup sessions. Okay, anybody newly joined for today, just go through the backup session, sir. Okay, nothing more we have completed. Just now we started with what? Oracle database, and somehow like basic concepts of an Oracle we just covered. Nothing more than that. Okay, yeah. Okay, then that's all for today, guys. If you have any questions, you can ask me. Otherwise, we'll drop off and we'll connect back on the tomorrow sessions, guys. And this Saturday, we do not have the session, guys. Okay, so do not have the session because I will may not be available on this Saturday. Okay, so this Saturday, we do not have the session. Tomorrow, we have the session. Okay, yeah. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. Good night. Bye-bye.